how to fix Zangi call quality issues. Having trouble with the choppy or unclear calls on the Zangi? Let's go through the few steps that can help make your calls sound much better. First thing to check is usually the main reason is your internet connection. Zangi needs a stable connection. Are you on the Wi-Fi? Is the signal strong? Or using the mobile data? Make sure you have good signal bars. Sometimes just switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data for a moment can help to refresh the things. Let's think about the what else your phone is doing. Are there lots of app opens in the background? Things like streaming video or large downloads can hog your internet speed, leaving less for the Zangi call. Try closing any apps you are not actively using. For that, simply tap on the three lines over here. So I'm just using a setting, so I'm not doing anything here. Also, make sure your Zangi is up to date. Developer often release updates that fix the bugs and improve the performance, including a call quality. Hop over to your app store and see if there's an update waiting. Finally, a simple restart of your phone can fix all sorts of temporary glitches. It's like giving your device a fresh start. So, to recap, check your internet, close background apps, update the Zangi, and maybe try restarting your phone. Use these steps are short and see if your call quality improves. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.